Bring it.
There's supposed to be more chips in there. Big picture of chips. See the chips? It says 20% more. Bold bites in here. I thought that meant it was going to be a big ass chip. Look. Same damn size.
Oh, wait. Ah.
It's a big bold bite.
Really? Oh my god.
So we switched the roll in here. Swing. Swing. Swing.
Stop.
Swing.
Stop it.
You don't tell me what to do. I can see you in there. A little hole in there.
You could not see it. Shut up.
There is a bowl in present.
Ew, I just looked straight at Cliff's crotch. I don't know why.
I don't either.
Ew, that was...
Shouldn't be looking at Cliff's crotch like that.
Keep looking at Cliff's crotch like that.
Take pictures in there?
Hi, what if that's how we said hi to everybody?
In the mirror.
If we said hi the same way dogs did. Like,
What the fuck?
like smell each other's butts. That'd be fucked up.
You're really fucked up.
What?
You're fucked up.
No.
Yeah.
Where's the water come from? They had a water name? What's their name?
This is awkward. This is like just aiming at my fucking head. Stop it. James, stop it.